Good evening. Welcome to the Paradigm Shift. This is such a beautiful day today, and we have a very, very special person with us. And let me just read his introduction. He is Chinu Quatra. He is all of 30 years old. He has been serving the society for almost 6 years now. He believes in 360 degrees development programs. So he founded projects like Roti Ghar, which feed about 1,000 plus kids every day since the last 3 years. Mard, that is, which manufactures and distributes 5,000 eco-friendly sanitary napkins every month to underprivileged ladies. Project Pathshala, which focuses on extracurricular activities for underprivileged kids, and Home for Paws, that is shelter for abandoned and stray dogs. Esteemed Beach Warriors cleans 9 beaches in Mumbai every weekend since the last 2 years. During 75 days of lockdown during COVID, he and his team touched hearts of 1 million lives by serving meals to 7 lakh people and ration to 8 lakh individuals. Chinu has been recognized by Limca Book of Records, UN Environment, Earth Day Network, NDTV, Swachh Hero, Thane Ratna, Forbes India, etc. And his mantra is simple: Insan Bano. I am so happy and delighted and honored to have Mr. Chinu Quatra. Let me just add him here.
Hi, good evening, Chinu.
Hi, very good evening. I hope you can hear me fine. The voice
Yes,
and everything is perfectly fine.
everything is clear. Just आपका video थोड़ा buffer हो रहा है. If you can just check your Wi-Fi and everything. Yeah, now
Hmm.
it's clear. If you can just check your network.
Yeah. Yeah, I hope now the video is fine.
If somebody can, sometimes I cannot see the guests so clearly, but other people can. So if somebody can confirm that everything is clear, then we can just go ahead with the questions. Otherwise, we can restart this.
Hi
Oh wow,
viewers.
all you
Request you to check whether the video and the audio is totally clear.
video is, I mean, the audio is perfect. Just the just the video is buffering a little bit. Yeah, now you're clear.
Perfect. So there are technical glitch happening, and it
Yeah.
is I suppose a part of paradigm shift itself, where the changes keep happening every now and then. Yes, I have given you the best example here of paradigm shift, which is coming to the technology itself.
Right. So, Chinu, welcome to the Paradigm Shift. We are so honored and delighted to have you here. You must, I mean, I have read out all the list of beautiful things that you do, but we will listen to your story from your own this. Tell us what, according to you, is the paradigm shift and when did this happen to you? Were you always like this? Were you always wanting to do social service? And tell us all about it.
Yeah, I hope there was some glitch on
Yeah,
the side. I suppose that is
yeah.
fine right now.
Right now is good. Yeah.
Yeah, so as I mentioned you about the paradigm shift already, that the kind of technology glitch which is facing, and then we run to a mode to change that basic concept. So this is, I suppose, a paradigm shift itself, where instead of meeting people personally, we are meeting people virtually, sharing the
Yeah.
thoughts. And this is saving our money, this is saving our time, this is saving our efforts of traveling and meeting the
Yeah.
people for an hour or two session. So this is
Right.
happening direct virtually. This is one of the example. And
Right.
I loved this name already, and I was connected to this
Right.
name somehow because I started this concept of इंसान बनो कि
Hmm.
सबसे ज्यादा उसी में स्कोप है. I suppose this my thought. आज मुझे पता चला कि इसका मतलब पैराडिगम शिफ्ट ही है, where I am asking people where आप आर्ट्स कॉमर्स साइंस पे उतना ज्यादा भरोसा, मतलब उसमें ज्यादा स्कोप नहीं दिखेगा. अगर अगर आप इंसान बन गए तो उसमें सबसे ज्यादा स्कोप है लाइफ में. So whatever
So
you
true.
take after being an human, I suppose that is the best thing you can do in life. So the the name paradigm shift and my thoughts, my views of Insan Bano, it is somehow same. That's the reason we are on the same platform today.
Absolutely, absolutely. Same ka, we have lots more, we have to achieve a lots more. I mean, you in your छोटी सी अभी तक जो जिंदगी में अपने 6 साल में जो आपने अचीव किया है, we have a lot to do. We have just started, and that is why we want to highlight people like you that are, अपना जो एक नॉर्मल नजरिया है, उठो, काम पे जाओ, पैसे कमाओ, घर खरीदो, गाड़ी खरीदो, and all that. And here you are like you're going all out and you're doing these amazing things. We are so proud of you. So tell us your story, Chinu. आप कैसे शुरू हुआ? Like आपने क्या किया और फिर आप यहाँ कैसे पहुंचे?
Uh, छोटी सी जर्नी. I'm happy that somehow you are feeling me that छोटी सी journey, and I feel young today. But नहीं यार, बाल पक गए हैं totally अभी. I'm turning 30, and when I was turning 30, I was getting what we are getting. मतलब which stage I'm going. And last month itself, my wife turned 30, and she started with this 10 30s new 20s. So you don't have to worry about being 30. So this is how I get motivation from my people itself. The
Right,
motivation, obviously, the inspiration is coming from home. It starts from home. My mother being a doctor, she struggles too much to raise us up. My dad was somehow into a financial depression in 2006 when we were into schooling. My mother stepped out and started working and started at dhaba where she cooked meals. I was the delivery and the waiter there. I used to wash utensils, and we used to earn money there that way without any extra coaching institute. I completed my 10th. My brother completed my studies, and the journey went on. And the education, वो होता है कि आपको एजुकेशन बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है लाइफ में. ऐसे लोगों को लगता है कि लोगों को लगता है कि बेसिकली हमें सर्टिफिकेट्स की ही ज्यादा जरूरी है. बट सर्टिफिकेट से ज्यादा यू नीड टू हैव द हार्ट. Certificates will give you the first job in your life. Certificates may
right,
get you married. For certificates may give you the materialistic things in life. But
right.
I suppose if you have a heart to give, even if you're uneducated, but still you can do way better. If you are educated through the society, but uneducated in the terms of books, so still you can do superb in life. I have learned that in my life. So journey is, yes, it is memorable for me. It is not 6 years. It is for me. It is more than 6 years. Um, uh, I started with a dream to give back to the society. Always wanted to be in army, navy with having those uniforms on my body, and I should be proud. My country is on my body. I'm taking my country with me, but somehow didn't
Oh,
happen because I was made for something else, I suppose. I didn't get मतलब peer pressures and सबकी वजह से लाडला बच्चा घर का तो कैसे आर्मी में जाने दे, बड़ा बच्चा सबसे बड़ा बेटा, तो वो थॉट्स की वजह से नहीं. बट नाउ आई एम हैप्पी दैट my family is super supportive in this. My mother who makes sure that the meals cooked in Rotigar kitchen is according to her. So एक माँ का खाना मुझे ही नहीं, मेरे 1800 बच्चों को भी मिलता है. Similarly, my team who's total youngs, and my team is the reason I feel old now because they are of 20, 22, 24 years of age, and they make me feel older now. But because of them, I am here today, because of all my people. I always say it, my people. My social media is my people, because I know my journey from 2013 or 12, how I started my Facebook, how I used my social media for awareing people about the social work which we do, and a transparent social work. So the
Right.
paradigm shift which I want to bring in the society is about a transparent NGO, that you can trust the NGO. You don't have to mistrust it. आपका पैसा ब्लैक व्हाइट करने के लिए एनजीओ नहीं है. आपका पैसा
Hmm.
यूज करके सही जगह जाने के लिए वो एनजीओ है. एनजीओ के फाउंडर्स एसी कैबिन में बैठने के लिए नहीं है, बट ऑन फील्ड के लिए है. जरूरी नहीं
Wow.
एनजीओ के फाउंडर्स 70-80 ईयर्स के हो जो सफारी सूट पहन के बैठे हों. एनजीओ के फाउंडर्स कैन बी एट द एज ऑफ 21-22 ऑल्सो. That is the
Wow.
shift I want to bring in the society, and I'm glad that people are loving that thought and also trying to get their own NGOs and social work in on their segment, so that they can, the shift is happening now. Social activist is no more a person wearing kurta and taking jhola to the places, but it is all about wearing blazers and visiting the slums and asking people to grow up, to dwell up,
Right.
to get dreams in your life. That is about
Wow.
social activities.
Wow. Wow. This is amazing. So, Chinu, what were the obstacles? Because red tapeism, bureaucracy is everywhere. And plus, like you said, peers only said ki, nahi, 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 army mein mat jao. And also, did you find any obstacles in the way when you thought that you wanted to do these things, NGO or social work or everything?
In every person's journey, there is one obstacle, which is log kya kahenge. That is the
Correct.
biggest obstacles in everyone's life. We start
Hmm.
thinking of people के what they will think of us. ये क्यों हो रहा है, ये कैसे हो रहा है, हमारे रिश्तेदार कैसे सोचेंगे, हमारे दोस्त कैसे सोचेंगे हमारे बारे में. So ये obstacles मेरे life में भी रही है, where I didn't get any of the support from my the family members, the close मेरे घर. I call my family only my घर, not the other people who are with me as a family. So
Hmm.
there is always that bitching and all wrong things coming from the society side, that you will fall, you
Yeah.
will fall. But thanks to them today, I'm rising, where my foots are on the ground itself, and I'm rising. So I'm becoming taller day by day, touching the sky. But my feet is on the ground itself. That's what I'm learning
Wow.
from the society. This
Wow.
is one thing which I have always learned, and there is no people always talk nonsense about you at this initial level, at the middle level, and at the successful level also. So they will
Correct.
keep talking. You have to just focus on the Gandhi ji saying, एक कान से सुनो दूसरे कान से निकालो. तो वो गांधी जी ने तो कान बंद करवाए थे, बट हम शायद उसको फ्रेम करके चेंज कर दें, कि एक कान से सुनो और दूसरे कान से निकाल दो. Let people say whatever they want to. You do whatever you want to do, and what
Right.
prove your family that this is right. Tell them that
Yes.
we can bring the change. Tell your family that we have to bring the change. It is just not about talking the change. So
Right.
every small thing you do, try to inspire people. So for me, the obstacle is the society which came in the picture. Government is never an obstacle for me, honestly, because I feel
Good.
whatever government is doing, let them do. It is the citizens also. सिर्फ टैक्स पेइंग से काम नहीं होता. You have to come
Hmm.
out and talk about it. अगर पैसे से काम होना होता तो बहुत सारी चीजें चेंज हो चुकी होती थी लाइफ में. सिर्फ पैसा ही
Right.
अगर काम करती तो. बट
Hmm. Hmm.
सिस्टम हम भी चेंज कर सकते हैं. सिस्टम आपके
Hmm.
हाथों में भी है चेंज करना. अवेकनिंग
Hmm.
हम भी ला सकते हैं. तो अगर गवर्नमेंट का जॉब है कि कचरा उठाना चाहिए, तो आपका भी जॉब है कि कचरा नहीं फैलाना चाहिए. That
Right.
is when it goes hand in hand. It is not about only talking about wrong about the government. When I understood working with the government, how pressurized they are to handle such a huge population. अब population तो
Right.
बढ़ा ही नहीं है ना गवर्नमेंट ने. पॉपुलेशन तो इंसानों ने बढ़ाई है, लोगों
Right.
ने बढ़ाई है, जो जो वोट देने जाते हैं. तो फिर ब्लेम क्यों हम गवर्नमेंट पे दे. Government can bring the systems, government can bring campaigns, but they won't come home and tell you not to do things, where this, where do, and population mat badhao. They won't come home and tell you that. that is on your senses it is happening. So I believe
Right.
we are also responsible. If we feel that we are going back in the days and developing is not happening, we are also equally responsible for that. So I didn't
So
get
true.
any problem from, but the society is always a problem. बट उसका
Hmm.
भी सॉल्यूशन है, कान से सुनो, एक कान से निकाल दो, लेट यू डू, एंड ऐसे काम करते जाओ कि आपके सक्सेस से उनको और ज्यादा होते जाइए, क्यों हो रहा है, क्यों हो रहा है, क्यों हो रहा है. So there are changes. Example, smallest example I'll give in my recent days. You can
Hmm.
see in my hand. This is Mangal Sutra. So a
Wow.
guy wearing a Mangal Sutra is a big issue nowadays. Why it is happening? But this is my thing. If my wife can wear a Mangal Sutra, I can wear too. I can change the situation.
Oh,
Why should
so
I not do? I also with my can you hear me?
now I can hear you. You went away
Yeah,
from. Huh.
yeah. So so I
We
also
are good.
kept Karva Chauth with my with my wife. I also, it's not about traditions. Yeah, traditions make, we can also change the traditions. We can also bring that paradigm shift in that कि हम अपने हिसाब से change करें so that people get inspired यार. इट इज गुड टू सी इन मूवीज. वो मूवी हॉल से बाहर आते ही हमें ऐसा लगता है कि आज मैं शाहरुख खान बन चुका हूँ, सलमान खान बन चुका हूँ. बट सलमान खान, शाहरुख खान जैसे काम भी तो करना शुरू करो यार. दैट इज माई थॉट.
Wow. This is
तो
amazing, Chico. You're really making shift. Really. Go on, go
we
on. It's
have
so
to.
nice to hear you.
I can keep going. 5:30 will come and you'll be like, shut up. We have more questions. So this is,
Go. Hmm.
you have to always be a change maker. You have to be and everyone is an inspiration in life. You are inspiration for your family. You are inspiration for your friends. I am inspiration for my family, my friends. Everyone can be an inspiration. Just change of thoughts are required. How things can change. My guys are now willing to get married and wear Mangal Sutra. The people who are working with me or my teammates, they are ready to do that. So imagine 10 boys I
Wow.
have changed. My life
Wow.
is successful that I have 10 guys I have changed, and their mentality of taking their wife as not as a wife material, but as someone who is your companion, your half soul, जो हम बोलते हैं, your twin soul. That is your wife. So this way, if you
Wow.
talk, the things will definitely change. There is no husband wife ka glitch. There is no male female ka glitch happening between us. My wife works in
Wow.
Bangalore. I am in Mumbai right now. So it is not that you have to, it is not that my wife cannot go outside and work. Where this is support from my family also. So my family also shifted their thoughts. My mother also
Right.
shifted her thoughts that it's okay if she cannot come here, I can go there. That's absolutely fine.
Wow.
तू क्यों आए हमेशा. So this is the change we should bring in and we are trying to bring in. And I'm trying my
Wow.
level best to think differently and bring it to the society and give it back to the society. For me, women
Amazing.
respect is not equal to men. For me, women respect is above men because I have seen women sacrificing in my life. I've seen the sacrifices of the woman. I have seen the love of a woman also. So
Hmm.
this way we have to not think they are equal. They are above us. Respect them in their way. My thought is that respect them in their way. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम जोरू के गुलाम बन जाते.
So
That change जो लोगों के दिमाग में है ना, it is
right.
wrong.
Right.
When Chinu
Right.
can clean beaches, Chinu can clean utensils also. Chinu can sweep home also. If I
Wow.
can do things outside, if I can feed kids outside, I can feed my or puppy also, right? So it
Good.
is not that कि you have to be a different person at your home and outside के लिए society. This, we are not Ravan to have 10 faces. We are one person. We are human. We have to have one face. That's the only
So
thing
good.
we needed from the society. एक एक इंसान पैदा हुए तो एक ही चेहरा रखो, 10 चेहरे रखोगे तो रावण वाली हालत होगी.
सब में सिर दुखेगा.
सब में सिर दुखेगा और फिर राम आके मार देगा.
That's a good one. No, no. So, Chinu, I mean, I am absolutely, I mean, I'm in awe of this shift that you are saying. My husband also keeps the Karwa Chauth Vrat with me, but he has a different take on this. He says, I'm trying to undo what you're doing. हमको किसी का एहसान नहीं चाहिए. So he makes fun of this. So he's
So
not like Shahrukh.
I suppose that is also a love from his side.
Yes, of course, of course. Yeah,
Something, if he's fasting for at least 12 hours, that is
yes,
supposedly
he
a
is.
love. No doubt he's undoing his thing. आपका कर्ज चुका रहे हैं, but वो कर्ज चुकाने में भी he's taking that effort, and that effort is
Yes,
love. So we
right.
love is not only about being physical with each other, being together with each other. एक ही जगह पे 12 घंटे 24 घंटे रहो. It is not that love. It is all effort keep coming. You have to do something better every day. Because I'm listening this thing. Why I'm talking more about marriage nowadays? Because I'm in that marriage wala phase. I got 2 months पहले marriage. एंड नाउ
हाँ,
आई एम लिसनिंग टू पीपल के सिर्फ 2 साल है एंजॉय कर लो उसके बाद तो रेगुलर जिंदगी हो जाएगी क्यों भाई हम 2 से 20 साल बनाएंगे उसको why this 2 years why this two
right.
years there was stupidity happening to me I got matlab first month of marriage I got this tattoo name of AJ which is Anjani and Jeet my real name is Jeet and I got this marriage date written on my hand people are telling me ke this is the nice way to remember your anniversary this is something people need to shift. People need to shift their brain. Dude, it's okay. I have not written it to remember my anniversary, but I have written it because it is a precious day. I have shifted
Yes,
myself to a different. I have born. I have taken a rebirth. Marriage is a rebirth. I feel
wow.
marriage is totally a rebirth. You go through a ups and downs during before your marriage, which is equal to a labor pain, and a baby is born. That is your marriage. So
Right. So
this is
nice.
how we have taken, I and Anjani have taken marriages. It is marriage is our baby, so we have to take care of our baby. No
So
glitches
sweet.
happen and Lok keeps saying things, and I keep laughing on things because earlier it used to hurt me to the core,
Right.
but now it is a
Yeah.
comedy factor for me. And if they make me feel down, I try to I try to laugh it off, and I try to change my factor totally, and I grew up. So this is how they will
Wow.
also keep your mind and
Yeah.
heart shut, and then they will also shift because someday or
Yeah.
the other someone will shift after seeing things happening in a positive way.
Right. Absolutely. So Anjani is a very lucky girl, and so are you, that you have had such a beautiful partner that she brings out all the love in you, you know. So this is very, very beautiful. I congratulations and hope you have a very, very nice and long and happy married life. So
Thank you so much.
Chinu, tell us what is the impact of the shift? Like you already told me, and I can already see that you're doing great work. Like where do you feel you are right now, and what is the future? What is the? Are there any planning for the future to make this big, the Kushia Foundation?
So future, I don't know what is happening tomorrow. I'll be working for today. I cannot be considered. No doubt we have plan A, B, C, but the planner is universe. He cannot plan anything. I can
Right.
plan A to Z, but universe will bring double A. So we don't know
Wow.
what is happening the next moment. We can be
Right.
ready. We have to be ready, and acceptance mode should be there कि चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए लाइफ में, we have to be we have to get ready to accept things. Secondly,
Wow.
I always believe I at last में एक चीज में मैं always believe करता हूँ हद से हद क्या होगा लाइफ में मेरे जान चली जाएगी उससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं जाएगा one thing can go away is your life that's it you don't have to worry about anything my thought
Right.
is and my thought today is if I'm feeding 1800 kids right now obviously I want to feed more that is my
Yeah.
my inner thought but usko leke
Right.
I keep trying things and if doesn't get fulfilled my expectations will hurt I will get hurt I'll go down why should I make my moral down with targets for me
Right.
I will keep doing good let the support come in that's how
Right.
the journey of my social activist was. We started
Hmm.
feeding 100 kids. All
Hmm.
of a sudden, within a year, I met one of my great friend, Rakesh Kinger Bhai. He
Hmm.
helped his organization to come in with us, Ananta. Within a
Hmm.
year, we were from 100 to 400. So this happened.
Wow.
So this, and when the people start supporting you, changes. Now today is 1800. I don't know. It can be tomorrow 2000. I don't know. After a month, it can be 4000. So
Hmm.
whatever I am saying, I suppose my universe is listening and it is giving me back. So I don't have.
Okay.
I just have to make sure that things are positive, that things
Yeah.
are not hurting anyone in life. That is the only two things I am doing right now. I don't want to hurt people. I don't want to go in a negative zone. These two things
Wow.
are helping me to climb my ladders, whatever I want to. And for whatever purpose
Hmm.
I am in on the earth today, I will solve that
Yeah.
purpose and then will vanish. Then someone else will come to solve that purpose. So the
Right.
things keep happening. If I my organization is that organization where you don't have this corporate culture. You are free. I am not judging any people from your clothes. You can wear rags, you can wear blazers, you can wear anything what your body suits, what it suits your mind. The only
Right.
purpose, only thing I want in my organization is to be positive
Hmm.
and happy. If you are
Wow.
not positive and happy, you can leave, you can come tomorrow. But if you are positive, if you are positive and happy, you are entered. You are there. That's the only way. We have taken Corona. I personally have taken Corona as a very positive factor.
Right.
I always said this that Corona can be a negative, or this pandemic, the Bimari can be a negative, but lockdown was positive. We have learned a
Absolutely.
lot during lockdown. A lot. A
Yes.
lot of struggling artists have come out. They have started repainting. Your talents, my hobbies have started coming out.
Yes.
Everyone have learned something. The family has grown up together. People were
Right.
asking for Sundays, 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 Sundays. There were 75 Sundays in our life. Have you given
Yes.
that Sundays to someone? जो संडे आप मांग रहे थे आपको 75 प्रॉपर 75 days of lockdown we got 75 Sundays. Have you
Hmm.
utilized that? For me, it was a positive factor.
Yes.
Definitely, I and my fiance, when we were starting to know each other, the lockdown has helped us to know each other more.
You're
Because
right.
she stays in Delhi, I stays in Mumbai, the long distance happening. And Shadi ke baad bhi it was about to maintain long distance only, 10 days here, 10 days there. So there the
Huh.
learning came in. My personal potential, I started coming to know that my team's potential, 7 people distributed meals to 7 lakh people in 75 days. That was the
Wow.
potential. We understood our own potential. More or less, till date, not affected from Corona. Because for me, Corona is not there in the world. I have given it to universe. मेरे लिए Corona नहीं है. I don't. There is nothing Corona like. The more you give in your head, secret अगर किसी ने पढ़ी है या नहीं पढ़ी है या मूवी है
I've heard
या
that.
बुक है,
Yeah.
go on that. Law of attraction is there. If I keep saying Corona, 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 Corona will attract me. When I say there is
Right.
no Corona, it won't attract me. No doubt we are taking precautions. We wear
Yes.
gloves. We sanitize our hands. It is not that कि
Yes.
मैं खुल्लम खुल्ला घूम रहा हूँ, but we are taking one side precautions also. And one side in
Right.
our mind we say there is no corona. So things
Right.
keep changing. You have to
Right.
keep changing yourself every day or the other. So
Right.
that's the journey I had in my toughest time also. For people, it was toughest times. It was a challenging time for me that I have to overcome my challenges. So Corona has
Amazing.
helped us a lot to understand the
Yes.
human even more. Environment was breathing. If you see the pollution level today in Delhi, Mumbai, and the other
Yeah.
urban cities, and the pollution level in Delhi, Mumbai during lockdown, it is totally shift.
Total change. Right.
Beach. So
So,
who are damaging? We should be in cage. If we are
yes.
humans are in cage, the environment can breathe. That's what I was
Yes.
saying. अब देखना environment कितना अच्छा होगा because we are not going out. We have stopped. 75 days can bring us whole ecosystem may change. So I suppose
Yes.
75 days of lockdown should be there every year. That people should be at home and the environment so that the ecosystem is running. Total
Yes.
lockdown.
Yes. I'm sure this is going to continue for some more months at least. So I'm sure the ecosystem is going to breathe. So this is such a beautiful thought. I'm absolutely honored to have you here, and I have learned so much. You'll not believe, Chinu, I don't wear a Mangal Sutra, but I think I'm going to take out my Mangal Sutra and start wearing it in my hand. And you know why I was saying that आपके छोटे से journey में, because I am going to turn 50 next year, and I don't think I've achieved anything. Yes, I have had two beautiful children. I've had businesses. Paradigm Shift was born in the lockdown, and now I've started meeting amazing people like you. And now my shift is happening with the shift. With opening this, starting this startup, I'm actually finding amazing people like you that are helping me shift. Like now, I have to get up and be the change, and probably come and be with one of you, and help in one of your projects. This is amazing. So thank you so much for joining us. I know your time is absolutely precious, that you have so many meetings happening and all that. So everybody that's joining from the Beach Warriors and Chinu Quatra official, please follow our page. We bring amazing people like Chinu and highlight their work and all the beautiful things that they're doing, and everybody work joining from the Paradigm Shift. Please follow their page. They're doing some amazing job. And if anybody, Chinu, you have all your NGO details and everything on your page. If
हाँ जी,
anybody
हाँ
wants
जी.
to give information.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, you also have a website.
We have a website. It
Over.
is Khushiyan,
Okay,
khushiyanfoundation.org. So
all
the
right.
name itself talks about happiness. So people can visit, people can at least see what the real work or the field work is, and
Right.
how can anyone in the society can bring the change by sitting at your own place or by being
Right.
outside. Everyone can bring the change through just the change of their
Beautiful.
own thoughts. Small thoughts can bring a lot of change. So even if you are suicidal, depression, or whatever it is, think about something different. Think about something positive. There
Wow.
is something universe is giving you back.
Right.
The moment you think different, the moment you think out of the box, the universe will
Right.
gift you. That I
Right.
have learned through life, and that is giving me happiness in my own life. And that's how my brain works. That's simple. The more the negative things I put it in my brain, the negative things only will come out. It is a
Work.
human nature. We are also human. It is a human nature. No doubt I get angry, I get anxious, I get depressed, I get a lot of emotions are there in me. But it is now I have understood to handle my emotions. It is now I have understood to how to bring those change in my emotions also. So
Right.
we have to stop judging people, simple,
Right.
and start trusting them. No doubt if they break trust, it is their duty, their karma, and everything. My job is to trust people. I will
Right.
100% trust people every time who is coming to me. आप मेरे पास आ जाओ,
Right.
मुझे 5,000 रुपए चाहिए, मेरा ये चीज है, और मेरे पास अगर हो तो मैं आपको आंख बंद करके दे दूंगा, भले आपने मेरे को वादा किया नेक्स्ट मंथ देने के लिए. अगर आपने नेक्स्ट
Hmm.
मंथ मुझे नहीं दिया, रिटर्न नहीं किया कुछ चीज वजह से, तो मेरा
Hmm.
नुकसान नहीं हुआ, आपके कर्मा में वो 5,000 गए हैं कि आपने मेरे
Stamped on
खाए हैं.
you.
वो स्टैम्प हो
Right.
गया, वो आपको कहीं ना कहीं निकलेंगे, 5 का 50 निकलेगा, मुझे वो भी पता है.
Correct.
बट मुझे नहीं
Right.
फील होगा. फॉर मी इट हैज गिव गॉन फ्रॉम. एंड मेरे कर्मा में ये होगा कि तेरे जेब से जाना ही है तो जब गया ना, सिंपल. तो उस पर मैं
Yeah.
क्रिप क्राई करते रहूं तो उसका मतलब नहीं है. आई एम वेस्टिंग माई नेक्स्ट टाइम, नेक्स्ट डे. यू हैव टू
Right.
सॉल्व टूडेज प्रॉब्लम टुडे. दैट इज बिकॉज
Right.
टुमारो यू डोंट नो वेदर यू आर गेटिंग अप और नॉट.
You're
आज
getting
की
on you.
प्रॉब्लम आज सॉल्व करके जाओ, कल सुबह उठो तो ताकि नई प्रॉब्लम्स आए और उसको सॉल्व करो.
Right.
वरना
That is so
बैकलॉग
good.
होती जाएगी प्रॉब्लम्स की.
Acha Chinu, we had a question. Can you tell us a little bit about your work with the MUN? Man.
So, I've recently appointed as an youth advocate by model in first India's model of
Model.
United Nations. My
Right.
job is the work with MUN is simple. I need to inspire youth. That is the only thing I can do right now. I can talk about positivity with youth and I can bring the change. So I have already mentored around 7 to 10,000 of youth in my 6 years of journey. So now with MUN, I'll be getting a chance to even mentor more. So even if I
Wow.
can bring 10% change in their life, youth life, because that is very important. India is the
Yes.
youth country.
Right.
2021 maximum youth will be there with us. We have
Right.
people talking about population. If we have 130 billion, whatever population we are having, we don't have that. We have 130 billion brains that can bring the change. If China,
Right.
being a highest population country, can be so developed, why cannot India?
Yeah.
We have so many brains too, we have so many hands too, we have so many eyes to see. So let's work,
Right.
let's come out on field, let's
Right.
start doing something creative, something amazing. For me, it cannot be creative. For you, it can be creative. So
Right.
everyone has a different brain. So if you want to do something, do it. There are 10 people who
Right.
won't like it. One person will like it, and that is your USP. That 1%
Right.
out of 10% is liking it. So
Right.
MUN has given me a chance. So understanding their work and also mentoring that work.
Amazing. So, any last closing line, Chinu? I mean, everything that you're saying is so beautiful and like full of gyan. But like, if you want to just finish off with one something to leave our viewers to inspire them, like you've inspired me.
See, in this journey, we are alone. We came, we were born alone. We will die alone. There are only lucky people who die with this someone. And I don't think we are that lucky to die with someone. But when we are
Right.
born, we have taken birth alone. When we are dying alone, let's do something alone. We have to bring change alone. So the kind of picture which is behind me, it is also a wazir, which is standing, one
Hmm.
wazir standing opposite the whole squad of army.
Army.
So this is
Wow.
one person is you, and you have to stand against the people. The more you stand against the people, the more you are successful. But
Oops.
that is also, you need to be positive with thoughts when you're
Right.
standing against people. I cannot, when
Yeah.
there is a rape happening and 10 people are standing for rape, I cannot say कि rape nahi hai, rape nahi hai, rape nahi hai. No, that is wrong. But your thoughts should be so positive. Even if there is no one with you, there will be an army behind you someday. So you have to trust your instinct. There you have to trust yourself. And last
Wow.
but not the least, again one thing, इंसान बनो, सबसे ज्यादा उसी में स्कोप है. Because you don't get any cut out marks. आर्ट्स में एडमिशन लेना है, कॉमर्स में एडमिशन लेना है, तो भी 90% चाहिए. इंसान बनने में एडमिशन लेना है तो आपको कोई परसेंटेज नहीं चाहिए. यू कैन बी इंसान एनी टाइम. सो इंसान बनो,
Right.
सबसे ज्यादा स्कोप है उसमें.
Wow. That is so good. So thank you so much. You leave us with such beautiful thoughts, so much positivity, and so much inspiration and motivation. It was a pleasure talking to you, and I'm sure we'll see a lots more of you. And I will get in touch with you because we would love to do this. जो आप mentoring करते हो, we would love to collaborate with you on this,
I
and
am
where we
ready
can
anytime you tell me. I am whatever time you say of the day, 24/7 I am available. So there is no nights for me, there is no day for me. I sleep very
wow,
less because I feel that sleeping more is a kind of wasting time. So sleeping less and working more and helping people more. That's all
wow,
I believe. I'm a night owl. I sleep around 2, 3 o'clock. So anytime, any
wow,
help, anywhere, we are there to help you. My team whole
wow,
is there to help you. So mentoring is my passion right now. Talking is my passion. So I can keep talking with my experience.
wow. So nice. Thank you so much and have a great year ahead and keep on doing the good work. God bless you. We're so proud of you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank
So,
you.